Hey, what's up guys? John here from Blackjack Contracting. We're just here at our 20 Fair project in Brantford. We just wrapped it up. It's looking beautiful. They're just doing some touch-ups and cleanup. This project took about 4 months long. We had a few hiccups. I mean, it's an old place, but compared to what it was, it is beautiful. So it's a 3-bedroom duplex on the main floor, and it's a 2-bedroom upstairs. This project's total value was originally about $226,000 tax in. Ended up finishing with a few add-ons and a few changes, about 250. He bought the property for around the 250 mark, and this area we're seeing ARVs in the 650 mark, so it's a slam dunk all around. It's been full of challenges, but it's been a fun one and it turned out great. We're going to do a little walk around video and let you know if you have any questions. Thanks.